Welcome to Steel Rob 87s, Panini certified box break number 5. Good luck. Felix Jones, Cowboys. Reggie Bush, Dolphins. We have a redemption. Mirror red signatures. Card number 221. Let's take a look and see who that is. Owen Merrick. Okay. Danian Tomlinson, Jets. Patrick Willis, 49ers. CJ Spiller, Bills. Mike Thomas, Jaguars. Justin Houston, Chiefs rookie. Numbered 705 of 999. Sean Green, Jets. Frank Gore, 49ers. Clay Matthews, Green Bay Packers. Ray Lewis, Ravens. Austin Pettis, certified potential, Rams. Numbered 198 of 999. DeLone Carter, certified potential, Colts relic card. Number 205 of 250. Donovan McNabb, Vikings. Malcolm Floyd, Chargers. Carson Palmer, Bengals. Vishante Sanko, Vikings. Malcolm Floyd, Chargers, mirror blue, number 34 of 100. Chris Johnson, Titans. Hines Ward, Steelers. Mercedes Lewis, Jaguars. Drew Brees, Saints. Nathan Elderin, Bears rookie, number 469 of 999. Josh Freeman, Buccaneers. Deshaun Jackson, Eagles. Jabbar Gaffney, Redskins. Steve Breston, Chiefs. Corey Leggett, Chargers rookie, numbered 722 of 999. Vernon Davis, 49ers. Darren McFadden, Raiders. Matthew Stafford, Lions. Tony Gonzalez, Falcons. Reggie Wayne, Chiefs. Colts, sorry. Michael Irvin, Fabric of the Game. Cowboys relic, numbered 9 of 25. Marshawn Lynch, Seahawks. London Fletcher, Redskins. Kevin Walter, Texans. Steve Johnson, Bills. Peyton Manning, certified gold team, Colts, numbered 657 of 999. Mike Tolbert, Chargers. Kenny Britt, Texans. Devin Hester, Bears. Adrian Peterson, Vikings. Sean Green, Jets, mirror red, number 222 of 250. Mike Wallace, Steelers. Kellen Winslow Jr., Buccaneers. Tony Romo, Cowboys. Hakeem Nicks, Giants. Charles Woodson, Packers. Jeremy Maclin, Eagles. And James Laurinaitis, Rams. So it looks like we were shorted a hit. Okay, I'm going to get these cards out to everyone, and I will contact Panini, see if there's anything that they can do. This has actually never happened during a break. So I will keep everyone updated as far as what they say. I'll send everyone a copy of the response that they give, and sorry about that. Thank you.